Stress management techniques. We all feel stress from time to time. Our bodies are designed to handle small dose of stress, but we are not equipped to handle the long-term stress most of us experience on day-to-day basis. Given how bad stress is for the body, managing stress is essential. It is simple but not always easy. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel if you are new here. To watch other videos in this channel, share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. Managing stress. The first step towards reducing stress is learning what your triggers are. If you know what pushes your buttons, then avoid it. But there are stresses we have to accept. In that case, we must change our reactions to them. There isn't one size fits all option when it comes to stress relief. What works for one person might not work for another, and what works for you at home might not be an option when you are at work or with others. In this video, we will see short-term stress relief strategies, long-term stress relief strategies, and problem-focused coping. Short-term stress relief strategies. It is important to have some stress reduction tools that can lower your stress. At the time, for example, you are about to be interviewed for a job, or you have some other stress with your kids or at home. In that case, you need a quick stress relief. The best short-term strategies can be performed anywhere. Take very little practice to master. They are free and they provide immediate relief. Let's see what are the short-term stress relief strategies. First one, guided imagery. It involves using visualization techniques to create calming and positive mental images. By imaging peaceful scenes or engaging in guided imagery exercises, you can promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. For example, you can find a quiet and comfortable space. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a serene natural setting, such as a peaceful beach or a tranquil forest. Visualize the sights, sounds, and sensations of the environment to create a sense of relaxation and calmness. Next is meditation. It is a practice that involves focusing your attention and eliminating the stream of thoughts that may be causing stress. Regular meditation can help calm the mind, reduce anxiety, improve concentration, and promote a sense of inner peace. For example, set aside a few minutes each day to practice meditation. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus your attention on your breath. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment, gently bringing your attention back to your breath. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, just focus on your breath while you inhale and while you exhale. Next is progressive muscle relaxation. It involves tensing and then releasing different muscle groups in your body. This technique helps to release physical tension and promotes a deep state of relaxation. It reduces stress and promotes a sense of calm. To do the progressive muscle relaxation, start by tensing the muscle in one part of your body, like your fist or your shoulders, for a few seconds. Then release the tension and notice the sensation of relaxation in that area. Move through different muscle groups, progressively working your way from head to toe. Breathing exercise. Deep breathing exercises such as diaphragmatic breathing or box breathing. It can help activate the body's relaxation response. By focusing on slow, deep breath, you can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and increase feelings of calmness and relaxation. For example, you can practice the breathing exercise. Take a deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4. Hold the breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 4 again. Repeat this deep breathing pattern for a few minutes, focusing on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Another stress relief strategy is walking. Going for a walk, especially in nature or a peaceful environment, it can be an excellent way to relieve stress. Walking helps to clear the mind, increase endorphin level, improve blood circulation, and promote a sense of well-being. For example, you can take a break from your daily routine and go for a leisurely walk outdoor. Pay attention to your surroundings, the sensations of your body moving, and the sounds of nature around you. Allow yourself to let go of stress and simply enjoy the act of walking. Next is hugging. Physical touch, such as hugging, it releases oxytocin, a hormone associated with feelings of trust, connection, and well-being. Hugging can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and provide comfort during the time of stress or emotional distress. When you are feeling stressed or in need of comfort, embrace someone you trust, maybe your parents, your siblings, a friend, or a partner, in a warm and genuine hug. You feel much relieved. Aromatherapy. It involves using essential oils to promote relaxation and reduce stress. The scents like lavender, chamomile, or citrus, it can have calming effect and help create a soothing environment. You can place a few drops of essential oil such as a lavender or chamomile into a diffuser or on a cotton ball. Inhale the scent deeply, allowing it to fill the air and create a soothing atmosphere. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to a warm bath or mix with a carrier oil for a calming massage. Next is artwork. Engaging in artistic activities such as painting, drawing, or coloring can be a therapeutic way to reduce stress. Artistic expression allows for self-expression. It promotes mindfulness and provides a creative outlet to focus on positive and calming activities. You can engage in art therapy by finding a quiet space and expressing yourself through art. Use coloring books, paints, or pencils to create artwork without any pressure or judgment. Focus on the process and let your creativity flow, enjoying the therapeutic benefits of the artistic activity. Long-term stress relief strategies. Balanced diet. Ensure you include a variety of nutritious food in your daily meals. Aim to have a balanced plate with a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, colorful fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Nourishing your body with wholesome food, you provide it with the necessary nutrients to support overall well-being and reduce stress. Leisure activities. Engage in hobbies or activities you enjoy during your free time. It could be reading a book, playing a musical instrument, gardening, or engaging in craft. Dedicate specific time slot to these activities to recharge and find joy outside of work or other responsibilities. Then positive self-talk. Practice affirmations and positive self-talk. Whenever you catch yourself having negative thoughts or self-doubt, consciously reframe them into positive and empowering statements. For example, instead of saying I'm not good enough, replace it with I'm capable and deserving of success. Repeat these affirmations regularly to shift your mindset and cultivate self-compassion. Yoga. Set aside a designated time for a yoga practice, either at home or in a studio. Follow guided yoga sessions or use online resources that align with your skill level and preferences. Yoga combines physical movement, breathing exercise, and mindfulness, helping to relieve stress, increase flexibility, and promote relaxation. Gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. It could be simple things like a beautiful sunset, a supportive friend, or a delicious meal. Cultivating a gratitude practice, it helps shift your focus towards positivity and appreciation. Then it reduces stress and promote a sense of contentment. Exercise. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. This could involve going for a run or brisk walk in the morning, attending fitness classes, or following workout videos at home. Find activities that you enjoy and that get your body moving. Exercise releases endorphin, which are natural mood boosters and help alleviate stress. Next is problem-focused coping. It involves taking steps to remove the stressor from your life rather than changing how you feel about the stressor. Reassess the to-do list, prioritize tasks, and break them into manageable steps. Focus on important and urgent tasks first. Consider delegating or outsourcing tasks when possible. Obtain social support. Share your feelings and concerns with trusted friends or family. Seek support from support groups or online communities. Talking to others can provide new perspectives and emotional support. Cut out things that add to your stress. Identify stressors in your life and evaluate their impact. Determine if there are activities or commitments causing unnecessary stress. Learn to say no when necessary and establish healthy boundaries. So, in problem-focused coping, we need to deal with the stressor itself. So, we need to reassess our to-do list, then obtain social support and cut down the things that add to your stress. Now let's have a quick recap on what we have learned in this video. In the stress management techniques, we have learned short-term and long-term stress relief strategies and problem-focused coping. The key is to integrate these stress management techniques into your daily life consistently to experience their benefit. That is, these techniques are most effective when practiced consistently. In the upcoming video, we will learn promoting positive health and well-being. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.